Zero.
Yeah.
Wrong, zero is wrong. Zero is wrong.
Seven.
This one, not
Seven.
and.
Oh,
Seven.
seven.
AUC is equal.
709.
What's the value this one?
7.
Seven. Seven wrong, OBD.
709.
7 over 7 is
Huh? AUC is equal
Oh.
7/9.
7 over 9. Okay, this one okay. Okay, look, say the probability, the smallest probability. Okay, smallest probability is 0. Probability, the smallest is 0. The smallest is 0, the largest is 1. The largest is 1. We cannot say the probability is 7. This one is wrong. Apa bising ni? Okay, Nizar matikan mobil. Nizar, okay. Okay, ini boleh faham ni understand. Okay, this one is okay. Okay, this just ulang kaji saja. Okay, look example 3. Suppose we toss one pair of 6-sided dice. Kita lenting dadu The sample S is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let A is face is 2 or 3 and B are even, that face is even. Find P A slash B. Okay, for this one, we must look the value A is 2 and 3. Okay, what is the value B? What is the value B?
2, 4, 6.
2, even. 2, 4,
6.
and 6. Okay, the number, the question A. Okay, P A slash B. What is the formula A slash B? And lose the formula A slash B is equal. Okay, this one. A slash B is equal P A and B divided by PB. Okay, this one just follow the formula. It is equal P A slash B divided by PB. Okay, it is equal same. It is equal the number of A and B divided by and B, the number of B. Okay, what is the value A slash B? A and B. What is the value A and B? A and B. What is the value A and B?
2.
2. That's correct. Okay, for this one, what is the number of A slash B?
1.
1. What is the value B and B? Bilangan B.
3.
Okay, we get 1 over 3. Okay, try number B. Okay, what is the value for this one? A slash B.
Doctor.
Uh-huh.
Just now the example 2D.
Mana? 2A?
2D. Example 2D. Yang atas.
Example 2E.
2D. Yang
Ni.
7 over 9 tu. Tu dia kenapa bukan 7 over 10
S10. Oh, S10. Okay, salah. S10. Okay, salah. This one 10. The number S, the number S. The number S is 10, 10. Not 9, This one.
Thank you, Doctor.
Okay, thanks. Okay, for this one.
Doktor record ke kelas ni?
Tak ada rekod ni. Saya tak tahu nak rekod macam mana. Kalau awak pandai, awak boleh rekod dah. Nanti saya kasih benda ni, saya kasih balik. Nota ni nanti saya lepas kelas saya kasih balik pada awak. Okay, lepas kelas saya kasih nota yang ni, yang dah saya buat ni. Okay, next. Okay, berapa jawapan dia ni? Okay, what is the value A slash ni? A tanda. A tanda, what is the value A tanda?
2 over 3.
This is what? A plus. A prime.
1, 4, 5, 6.
1,
4,
4,
5, 6.
5, 6.
6. Okay, what is the value A prime and B?
4 and 6.
4 and 6. Okay, the formula is for this one is N divide A slash N divided by B divided by NB. Okay, okay, how many A slash NB?
2.
2,
What is the NB?
3.
3.
3. Okay, 3. The answer is 2 over 3. Dah senang je kan ni? Ni ulang saja ni bukan. Okay, kita masuk kepada seterusnya. We continue. Okay, example 4. Ada masalah tak ni? Tak ada masalah ni? No problem. Okay, tak ada, kita lihat.
Doctor, I have a question.
Okay, Nizar, any problem?
Yes, how is A equal to 1, 4, 5, and 6? Yeah.
Which one? This one?
Yeah.
You don't understand how point 2.
Yes, I don't understand.
Okay, this one, you look, N is the number for this one. We have just 2 elements, 4 and 6, we have 2, just 2. For this one, you just put 2 because we have 2, 4 and 6, 2. And B is 3. B has 1, 3, we have 3. Okay, Nizar, okay?
Okay, doctor. Thank you.
Okay, we look at example 4. Example 4. Okay, we want to test whether A and B are independent and mutually exclusive. Independent, the formula is the last one, this one. Independent, you can using the number A, number B, or number C. This one, the formula independent event. Okay, we look for this one. Okay, A slash B is given 0.4, PB is 0.8, PA 0.5. Are the event A and B are independent? Okay, how to determine the independent? Okay, independent, we can look which formula. We have 3 formula. Which one we can using to test whether the data is independent or not for this one. Okay, mana formula yang sesuai untuk soalan tadi tu? Number A, number 2, number 1, number 2, or number 3? Tengok mana yang paling sesuai.
Number 1.
Number 1, okay, we want to test whether PA slash B is equal. We want to test whether PA slash B it is equal PA. Okay, what is the formula PA slash B we had given 0.4, PA 0.5. PA slash B is 0.4. It is not equal or not equal?
Not equal.
Not equal.
When not equal, is this dependent or independent?
No, not independent.
Not independent. Dependent.
Not independent, not independent. Or we can set A and B dependent. Or this one, not independent is this same is dependent. Okay, mutually exclusive. How to test whether the mutually exclusive? Mutually exclusive, PA slash NB, it is equal what?
0.
Equal 0. When 0, then it is mutually exclusive. Okay, how to find PA slash B? How to find A slash B, A and B? How to find this one?
Times. PA times PB.
Okay, PA A slash B, we just using formula, it is equal PA and B. Divide by PB. And PA and slash B is equal, it is equal PA slash B time PB. Okay, if you lose PA slash B 0.4, what is the value PB? What is the value? 0.5. Okay, we get for this one 0.72.
PB 0.8.
It is equal 0 or not? Not equal?
No.
Not equal 0. When not equal 0, mutual exclusive or not?
No.
No, A and B are not mutually exclusive. Okay, this one okay, no problem. Okay, try the number B. Okay, try number 2. Try number 2. Try number 2. Cuba kalau dah siap, cuba masukkan dalam try masuk dalam WhatsApp kita bincang. Adakah betul atau salah jawapan anda?
I think there are 10.
Nizar, finish, Nizar.
I get 0.5.
0.5, you get 0.5.
Yeah, PA slash B.
Okay, we can make conclusion.
They are not independent.
Not mutually. Okay, and the answer is 0.5. Not independent, not independent. Okay, macam mana dapat not independent?
0.3 times 0.5 dapat 0.15.
0.5, it is equal, not equal? 0,
Nak ikut 0.
Okay. Okay, the number 2, if PA 0.5, PB 0.3, and A and B are mutually exclusive, the dimension, A and B adalah mutually exclusive, are they independent? Macam mana nak buktikan? Tengok yang ni, tengok soalan tadi, tengok yang ni. Kalau dia sama atau dia sama kosong, maksud dia adalah ni gunakan nombor 3. Dia gunakan nombor 3. Using number 3. Using number 3. Given PA is equal 0.5. Number 2, PA 0.5, PB it is 0.3. A and B, the P, A and B is equal 0, the mutually exclusive. Okay, if you want to test whether A and B independent, PA, the time PB must equal P PA and B. If you see this one, PA slash B is equal 0.5 times 0.3. This one is 0. It is not 0, not 0. And 0, 1.5 is not 0. It is mean but to A and B are not independent, not independent. Okay, okay, understand for this one. Okay, what there's a mutually exclusive in independent and A slash B. Okay, boleh ni kalau boleh saya teruskan lagi. Okay, we go the example discrete. We go to discrete random variable. Okay, we go to the discrete random variable. Okay, the probability distribution of discrete random variable is a list of each possible value of x together with the probability that x that value is one trial of the experiment. Ni faham maksud tak? Ni faham? Dalam ini nanti kita akan bincang. We will discuss about discrete cumulative. Normally we write like this one. This one is x, the number x. This one is probability. Okay, x is discrete. Discrete is number bulat Discrete. Discrete is we obtain from the number of trial, the number of car, the number of babies, and so on. The number we normally start from 0, 1, 2, 3, and so on. We want to find what is the probability. This one, probability. Okay, this one we call probability distribution. FPX is equal probability distribution of discrete random variable. This one X is discrete random variable. Okay, we look at probability probability distribution of discrete random variable X. This is the characteristics. The probability X is greater than 0. The smallest is 0 and the greatest must 1. This one. And the number 2, the summation of probability must is equal 1. If you find this one is probability between 0 and 1, and probability S is from 0 and 1, and the sum probability is equal 1, we can say that X is discrete random variable. Okay, this is the formula for cumulative distribution function using Fx. Greater Fx, it is equal P S less or x small x. It is equal summation. I is from 1 until normally n. This one normally we put n. Okay, the formula mean for this one for like this table. This one it is equal x times px. X times px. This one x times ps. Plus summation until all the data. Okay, this is the formula for variance. Okay, okay, this one. Okay, this characteristics of mean and variance. If E and E is the symbol E is expected. Expected. A is the constant. If you E for constant, we get the constant. If you use it, find E. For 2, we get 2. If E is expected for number 2, it is equal number 2. A is the constant. Okay, for variance, any constant, V adalah variance. For this one is mean, a symbol for mean, V is symbol for variance. Okay, variance, any constant is equal 0. V for 2, it is 0. V for negative 2, we can find it is 0. Okay, E, this is a general form. E for constant plus minus Bx, it is equal E for A is A. This one B, Ex. Okay, for variant, variant for A is 0, variant for B, we can find B kuasa 2, V power 2. For example, when you're using V 5x, we can get for this one is 25 Vx. Okay, if V 10 minus 5x, it is equal V for 10, 0, V for 5, it is equal 25 Vx. Okay, this is the formula for E and Vx. Okay, and we look at example one for this one for discrete random variable. Okay, a pair coin. Coin ni duit shilling is toast. Satu keping wang shilling kita lambungkan one time. Kita lambung one time. Let X is the number of head, kepala observe. Kalau sekeping wang shilling, apa dia punya X? Apa dia punya we can get? If you toast one shilling, what you can get? Sekeping wang shilling.
Head or tail.
Head or tail. Dua.
Head and tail. Dia ada dua kesudahan. Sekeping wang shilling, kita lambung, kita dapat head. Kalau head, dan ada satu lagi tail. Ada ekor. Duit kita tak ada ekor. Duit kita ada gambar ekor. Okay, ni masalah punya ni. Head dan tails. We have two outcomes, H and tail. Okay, soalan pertama, what is the construct the probability distribution function of X and show that X is discrete random variable. We want to test whether X is discrete random variable. Okay, macam mana nak tentukan X is discrete random variable? Macam mana kita nak tentukan X discrete random variable? How to determine X is discrete random variable?
It lies between 0 and 1.
Okay, itu the first, the second, we have three. This one, you must test whether the probabilities is between 0 and 1. The number 2, every probability must 0 and 1. The summation of all probability must equal 1. Okay. Okay, for this one, if we want to toast one shilling, we can get H and T. S, what is the S? S is a simple space. For this one, S is H and T. Okay, X is the number of H. The number of head. The bilangan kepala. The number of H. Okay, for H ni, this one, how many? The number of H. Okay, for this one, berapa banyak H?
1/2.
This one ni, the number of H. The number of H.
One.
This one H. One. Okay, for this one we can get T. How many H?
1.
0.
Zero. Tak ada.
Zero.
Tak ada.
Zero.
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 Tak ada ni, kita ada dua je. Okay, jadi kita akan dapat, okay, this one, okay, what is the value S is equal 0? Okay, 0, if you think the looks at 0, this one, 0, it is equal probability with H. H. Okay, we look at the definition, probability is the number of H. Okay, not H, T. This one wrong, this one T. H is T. Okay, this one T. Okay, we look the definition of probability is this, the number of T divided by N S. Okay, how many T? Bilangan T, berapa bilangan T? Berapa bilangan T? How many T? 1. Okay, what is the value S? Bilangan S. S ni H and T.
2.
2.
Okay, we get a probability S is 0 is 1/2. Okay, probability for X is equal 1. Equal 1. Okay, it is same. It is equal 1 is equal H. This one H. The number probability get H. It is equal the number of H divided by the number of S. Okay, how many X? How many X? How many X? How many X?
2.
2.
Okay, we can get, okay. This one, construct the probability distribution function. This one, the probability distribution function, you must construct like this one. You must find this one. Okay, this one is x. This one the bawahnya x is equal x. Okay, x is start from 0 and 1. Okay, if you see probability x is 0, it is half. 1 was same half. Okay, the total. Berapa total jumlah keseluruhan?
1.
1 okay. When you get 1, we can set x is discrete, random, discrete, random, variable. Okay, okay, understand how get this one is called a probability distribution function. This one we call probability distribution function. Function of x. Okay, the number A is okay. The number A okay. We can get of x. Okay, the number B. Find the probability that at least one head is observed. Okay, simple mathematics. What is probability that at least one? P.
Greater than one.
Greater at least ni dapat the symbol apa?
Greater than one.
Greater. Ada
Greater and equal.
And equal one. Okay. Kita nak dapatkan what is probability s greater or equal 1. Okay, berapa jawapan dia? Soalan B, the number B. S greater equal 1. Berapa jawapan dia? Tengok dia punya ni probability dia. Ini
1
S.
over 2.
1 over 2. Half this one. That's half. Boleh. Kalau tengok ni sebenarnya sama dengan it is equal S is equal 1 plus PS equal 2 until finish this one. If you see the other data is 0, x is equal to 0, don't have the data, this one 0. This one is half. It is equal setengah. Okay, the number C. Find fx. Tahu fx Okay, fx. Okay, kita nak dapat the formula fx is equal p s equals of x. If f is 0, if fx 0, it is mean what is the probability s less than 0? What is the probability x less or 0? Less or equal 0?
1 over 2.
1 over 2. Okay.
2.
Okay. If f is 1, what is the probability 1? Ps less or equal 1?
1 over 2.
1 over 2.
1 over 2.
1 over 2, this one.
1.
And this one is equal, PS is 0 plus PS is equal 1.
1.
For this one, PS is equal 0. Okay, it is 1. Okay, F2. What is the value F2? It is equal PS less or equal to. It is equal, PS is equal 0 plus PS is equal 1 plus PS is equal 2. Okay, it is equal 1. 1. Dia sama saja. Kalau 3, 4 lain semua akan dapat 1. Jadi, okay. Jadi kita boleh buat sini fx is equal setengah and 1. Setengah for x is equal 0. This one x 1 is x lebih besar or equal 1. Kita boleh tulis macam ni. Kita boleh tulis fx is 0 half x greater or equal 1 1. Any value we can get 1. Okay, understand for this one. Okay, the last yang ketiga, the last one, find mean and variance. Mean and variance kita gunakan rumus we just using the formula mean is equal x times px and variance x minus mu times px is equal x. Okay, for this one. Okay. Tak nampak. Okay, untuk yang ni, for this one, the formula mu is equal Asyik tambah X darab PX. Okay, it is equal, mu is equal 0, X is 0, minus half, plus 1 time half. Berapa nilai min?
Now we have 1/2.
1/2.
1/2, 1/2. Okay, variance, dia punya variance, rumus dia tengok tadi adalah, tengok rumus variance. X minus mu, X tolak min, kuasakan 2 darab PX. X tolak min. Okay, this one, X bermula adalah 0, minus setengah, kuasa 2, darab dengan PX, darab setengah. Tambah 1 minus setengah, power tu, darab dengan half. Okay, berapa dapat variance?
0, 1/4.
1/4, 1 ni setengah, mana satu? 1/8, Ini ada, ni dapat lagi ni. Okay, cuba kira betul-betul. 1/8 tambah 1/8, 1/8. 1/8. Biar betul-betul ni kira ni. Kosong tambah setengah juga kan ni. Setengah kosong 1/4. 1/8. This one 1/4 juga. 1/8. 1/8 campur 1/8 dapat 1/4. 1/4. 1/4. Okay, min dia 1/2. Okay, boleh faham ni? Laju
Ya,
laju.
laju.
Sebab ni ulang je ni, kan dah pernah belajar. Siapa tak boleh ikut? Tak boleh ikut. Semua okey je, diam.
Doktor, boleh repeat FX tak?
FX mana yang ni?
Yang
FX.
tiganya, C-nya.
Ni, FX.
Ya.
Just follow the formula lah. The formula is Fx is equal Px greater x less than x. Okay, for 0, you just put 0 here. It is x less or 0. Less or 0 for this one. If you see this one, the smallest is 0. It is equal, Px is equal 0. And looks x is equal 0 is half. This one half, the answer is half. Okay, when x is equal 1, lose just using formula Px less or equal 1. X less or equal 1 is equal, x is start from 0 plus Px is equal 1. Okay, Px is 0 is half, this one is half, we can get 1. Okay, understand for this one? Okay, if 2 is same, when you put 2, this one 2, s less or equal to, it is equal s0 until 2. If you put x is 0, half, this one is half, this one is 0. We can get 1. Do you understand?
So we just write these 3 columns.
Just 3 columns. This one okay. Just 2
Then
columns.
another one, just now the top one, the top right side.
This one.
Yeah.
I just summarize this one. I just summarize for this one.
Oh,
You
okay.
can write this one, it's okay lah. If you write like this one, it's okay. If you don't understand for this one, no, never mind. This one is okay.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Doctor, like why is it at the bottom when you write x equal to 2, it's equal to 0?
This one, which was this one?
The final line at the end.
This one
Yeah, when x equal to 2.
is equal to. This
Yeah.
one 0. This one, if you see this one, okay, the total probability must 1. The total probability must 1. For this one, if you put 2, the probability is 0. 3 still 0. This one, the others is 0. The others is 0.
Okay. Thank you. Got it.
Okay, we look say example 2. Example 2. Okay, this the example same. This one same. This one is just 1 times. For this one, I consider 2 times. 2 times. Okay, the question same. Construct same until this one. Okay, we look say if you toast 1 shilling 2 times. 2 times. Okay, This one, okay, this one, if you toast one time, we can get edge and tails. Okay, if you toast 2 times, you just expand for this one. The second, you can get H and T. This one same H and T. Okay, the S is a simple space. What is simple space for this one? Okay, the first one. Combination. H and H. Okay, the second. H T. TH. Okay, the last one.
TT.
Remember the hand-handed sketch dengan
Cakap.
okay. And
okay, understand for this one. If you toast 2 times, we can get S. It's HH, HT, TH, and TT. Okay, for this one, same. X is the number of head. Same. Okay, what is the value X for this one? How many H?
3.
This one 2, 3. 2.
2.
2. Mana boleh 3 ni?
2.
Okay, how many H for this one?
1.
1. Okay,
One.
for this one? 1.
1. 0.
Okay. Okay, we can get X is 0. Okay, we can get X 0, 1, 2. Okay, kita dapat X is 0, 1, 2. Okay, what is the probability get X is 0? Okay, what is the 0? It is probability. Probability what? Probability what? This one, 0.
TT?
Okay, TT. TT.
1/4.
TT, okay. Okay, the formula TT is equal the number TT divided by NS. Okay, how many TT?
1.
1.
S, what is S?
4.
4.
Okay. Okay, the second, X is 1. Okay, what X is 1? What is the value X is 1?
HT?
HT. TH.
What we have to, we have to it is equal the number of TH plus the number of HT divided by NS. Okay, we get 2/4. Okay, the last one, probability S is equal to, what is the 2? What is the probability X is equal to?
HH.
HH. How many HH?
1/1. 1.
1/4. Okay. After that, we can get this one. Okay, X. This one is probability S is equal X. And 0, 1, and 2. Okay, this one is total. The others are 0 for this one. 1/4, 1/2, 2/4, and 1/4. The total must 1. When you get the total 1, we can make conclusion X is discrete random variable. X is discrete random variable. Okay, this one is number A. Okay, we try. Okay, number C. Kita try combinekan number C. Number C adalah probability. Tadi adalah P(f(x). It is equal P S less or equal X. Okay, what is the value for this one? S0. What is the Fx? What is the value Fx?
1/4.
1/4. Okay. Okay, for this one, when X is 1, what is the value for here?
3/4.
3/4.
Okay, 3/4. Okay, the last one. This one. 1. Okay. Okay, you can write like this one. This one is okay. Okay, this one is number C. When you write like this one, we can get full mark. This one. Okay, we look at the number B. Number B, find the probability at least one. Same tadi, the less, at least one head is observed. At least one observed and more than 2 H. Apa nilai dia ni?
1 and
Unit.
above.
Jadi apa nilai dia? Ada N.
3/4.
Kalau N the symbol N not O N. Kalau N symbol N dia mesti sama, dia punya unsur mesti sama. At least one, what is the
One.
at least one? This one at least one, it is equal. What is the apa unsur at least one?
TH, HT, HH.
HTTH.
Tak ni nombor dia adalah dia H adalah satu saja satu dan dua ni. Yang ni more than 2, B is equal just 2. Okay,
One.
kalau A and B, it is equal A and B. What is the value A and B?
2.
2. Okay, probability, okay, A and B is equal to 2. Okay, what is the value S? Probability, the formula P A slash B it is equal N A slash B divided by N S. And this is the formula. A slash B just 1 and S is equal 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 over 4. The answer is 1 over 4. Okay.
Okay, Doktor.
Okay, the number C, the number D. Tengok soalan number D using fx kita nak dapatkan we want to find probability S less than 0 and PS lebih besar 1 ni nak gunakan fx. Kita ada dua soalan, dapatkan keberangkalan ni dan keberangkalan ni. Using fx. Kita tadi soalan tadi kita gunakan probability yang gunakannya rumus yang ni. Tapi for this one we want to find using fx, greater fx. Okay. Okay, lihat soalan number D. Okay, we want to find P S less than apa soalan S less than 2. Okay, itu sama dengan apa ni? Kalau tengok formula fx kan, fx is equal ps less or equal, must have loss.
E equals PX less
It is
than
equal-
and equal 1.
Equal 1. Okay, it is equal f apa ni? F berapa? One or
F0.
F2?
F0. F1.
0. 1.
Zero.
Kalau 1
One.
je. Kalau 1. F1 berapa nilai dia?
Three
F1 berapa
over
nilai?
3/4.
3 over 4. Okay, ini nombor 1. Kalau nombor 2, number 2, we want to, okay, number 2, x greater than 1. We want to find P s greater than 1. Okay, it is equal,
PX less than
PS.
tak boleh ni lebih
PS
besar, ni greater.
equal to
Kalau
2.
tengok
PS equal
fx less.
Yes,
Fx
2.
less. It is equal
PS equal to
1 minus P s less or equal, berapa ni?
2.
2. 1.
Tengok dia punya unsur x lebih besar dari 1. Kita dapat nilai dia adalah just 2. S is equal to.
Mana tegala.
Kalau ini dapat berapa nilai dia?
1.
1. Okay, 1. It is equal 1 minus f 1.
1 minus 3/4.
1 over 4. Ini 3/4 dapat 1 over 4.
1/4.
Faham Tak faham? Tak faham. Tak faham tak apa Okay, the last one ni boleh buat sendiri Min and Darren boleh buat. Kita gunakan rumus. We can using the formula. Okay, try last one Cuba buat yang ni lepas tu kita boleh bersurai Siapa nak buat nombor 1? Gunakan WhatsApp lepas tu kita boleh bincang. Siapa nak buat nombor 1?
Saya cuba Dr. A.
Okay. Muhammad Arif number 1 Muhammad Arif. Cuba buat ni lepas tu kita masuk dalam WhatsApp. Muhammad Arif. Okay, number 2. Siapa nak volunteer? Ini tak payahlah ni tak payah ni. Kita buat satu je. At least one. Ini tak nak we delete this one. Okay, number B.
Saya Dr. B.
Siapa saya Dr. Miau? Siapa nama?
Nama saya Miau.
Nama Miau.
ERY.
ERY.
Yes.
Eri. Nama Miau pula tu. Okay, number 3. Number C. Number C siapa? Volunteer. Cepat nak habis ni kita boleh bersurai. Kita boleh jumpa minggu depan. Siapa? Okay, Azim. Azim nombor 3 Azim. Okay, number D. D. Tak ada volunteer. Siapa nak ni? Okay, Roger boleh, Roger. Richard Mon.
Saya cuba.
Okay, Richard. Okay, the last one, E. Siapa? Go. Jiang Go. Jiang Go ada? Okay, you boleh You number 5.
Boleh.
Okay, you number 5. Okay, you. Dah siap masuk dalam WhatsApp kita boleh bincang. We discuss using WhatsApp.
Doktor boleh slide ke atas tak? Nak tengok yang tadi.
Oh, yang tadi. Okay. Besar ni lah dia. Nanti depan ni saya kasih lah ni. Depan ni. Habis kelas saya WhatsApp balik.
Atas sikit lagi doktor.
Oh ni, okay. Ni.
Ya.
So that we don't have an issue that cover the line.
Kita boleh cerita pasal soalan B tu tak? Ulang soalan example B. Ni.
Okay, for this one, probability that at least one hit, at least one and 2. And more than two. This just one. For this one, the experiment we just get the largest is 2. This one is the symbol we want to find n. The symbol n and the symbol intersection. Okay, understand? A and B we can get the number is just 2. The same number A and B. And after that, we can get probability A and B is the formula A and B divided by NS. It is equal 1 over 4. Okay.
Separuh kot. Faham
Separuh.
separuh.
Yang mana tak faham? Yang mana tak faham? Tengoklah ni, kalau tengok at least one ada dua saja.
Tapi yang satu head dia ada dua kan. Probability dapat satu head.
Ni at least one. Kurangnya satu kepala.
Tapi yang boleh dapat satu kepala tu ada dua kan.
Yelah, ada dua ni. Sebenarnya at least one head. At least one head.
Doktor, kalau toss 3 times bermakna X dia adalah 0, 1, 2, 3 lah.
Sama 0, 1, 3, 3. Okey. Betul.
Atas doktor.
Atas. Okey ni.
Doktor.
Ha.
So saya bagi contoh kalau soalan dia tanya macam yang tadi B tu kan, at least one head is observed. Saya tak mau yang belakang tu, N tak mau. So kalau depan saja, probability at least one head is observed tu, jawapan dia 3/4 ke 2/4?
3/4. 3/4.
Yang kalau 3/4 saya boleh faham, tapi kalau ada N tu A equals to 1 and 2 maknanya dia ada dua outcome je kan. Okey, saya boleh faham dah.
Okey.
Terima kasih doktor.
Saya boleh tengok yang part FX tu.
Doktor boleh tengok yang atas tadi.
Tadi ya.
Bye guys.
Okey, ni. Ni.
Bawah sikit. Ya. Doktor, kalau untuk P X equals to 3 macam mana ya?
Apa untuk X?
P X equals to 3.
B X is equal 3. 3 kalau X3 tengok dia punya X3 je, X3 3. 1/8 ada.
Yes, 1/8.
Soalan nombor 8. Mana? Soalan nombor apa?
Yang satu ni.
Soalan nombor 1.
Yang A.
Yang A. Ni betul lah, awak punya betul lah ni A. Ini soalan C Soalan A belum buat dah, soalan A. Azim buat soalan apa Azim?
Saya buat C tapi saya dah buat sekali yang A tu.
A dah buat terus, apa tu nampak A banyak dah ni. Okay, this one is number A and C. The number A and C. Okay, this one okay. If you see this one, if you toss 3 times, we can get here. Okay, this one okay. Okay, this one we can get this one first time, this one second, and this one is third. We can get the X is start from 0 until 3. Also okay. Probability 1/8, 3/8. That's okay. The total 1. And when 1, we can say the X is random variable. Okay, for this one, Fx is equal 1/8, 4/8, 7/8, and total. This one is okay. A and C okay. The number A and C also okay. Dapat 8/8. 8 markah dapat. Tak ada masalah. Okey, kita lihat soalan yang terus-terusnya. Nombor B. Okey, nombor B. Okay, number B is okay. We want to find what is the probability. At least one. This one at least one. At least one H. This one. At least one H. S is this one. At least one H is 7/8. This one wrong. Okay, dapat 1/5. Salah this one Apa salah dia? What is wrong? Tengok soalan dia, apa kenapa salah? At least one.
Oh, maksudnya 1H and more. 1H and 1H.
Tak ada. At least one. Betul ni at least one. Siapa buat ni tadi buat dah?
Saya buat doktor.
At least 2H.
Okey, tak ada. Ni jawapan dia betul, jawapan betul. Cuma cara penulisan salah. Kata ni penulis apa ni? Apa soalan dia? What is the question? Tengok soalan ni, soalan apa soalan dia? What is the question?
At least 1H observed.
Tak ada, tengok soalan betul-betul. Apa yang tertinggal?
And more than 2H.
Tak ada, ni tengok soalan B, find the probability. Probability awak tak nyatakan probability. Sepatutnya kena letak probability sini. Kena letak probability. Probability, kena letak at least one. Ini penting P. Kalau at least one tak boleh ni. Ikut soalan. Follow the question. Follow the question.
And more than 2H.
Kena letak probability, P, probability. Kalau at least one tak boleh. At least one jawapan dia 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Sekurang-kurang 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Jadi mesti ada probability. Ataupun awak kena buat P probability S less or equal 1. It is equal 7 over 8. Mesti right like this one.
Okay. So yang 1 over 5 tu apa doktor? Yang 1 over 5 tu?
Yelah kenapa? Masalah ni sebab awak tak letak P ni, tak letak P.
Oh, alright, faham.
Itu markah doktor.
Itu markah lah. 1 over 5 tu markah saya dapat.
Markah dia.
Doktor, yang B ni dia ada satu soalan ke dua soalan?
Satu soalan dia. At least one.
Doktor buang more than 2H tu.
Tu buang.
More than 2H tu.
Okay.
Thank you doktor, sorry.
Okay. Pakai Richard, cepat Richard. Mana Richard ni? Richard and you. Richard.
Belum sir, tak faham.
You pun belum
Boleh tengok balik yang tadi sir, yang
A. Yang mana? A.
Yang example yang tadi tu sir.
Oh, tengok example balik asal.
Yang untuk D, saya tak faham.
Okey, yang ni. Betul lah ni, salah.
Question yang sebelum, yang di atas tu.
Okey ni.
Apa maksud dia yang A dapat 1 and 2 and B dapat 2 aja sir?
Mana yang nak ni? Ni 1 and 2. Ni at least one. The number kita adalah 012. X adalah 012. Jadi at least one, just 1 and 2. At least one. 1 and 2. For this one, more than 2. More than 2 dalam nombor ni yang paling besar adalah 2. Jadi 2 sahaja. Just 2.
Itu untuk soalan B ke sih?
Ni soalan B ni soalan B. Ni jawapan dia 1 over 4.
So untuk soalan D itu yang fx kena tambah je lah.
Yang D.
D kena tambah yang P, contoh macam.
Yang D yang ni. Jawapan dia D.
Oh ini, kejap.
Doktor, saya nak tanya.
Okay.
Kalau untuk min tu possible ke more than one?
Betul. Min tak apa. Min boleh negatif, positif, barang nilai. Min tak apa.
Oh, min kalau lebih daripada 1 pun okey lah.
Okey, tak apa. Min tak apa. Min variant tak apa. Yang penting kalau probability je paling besar 1.
Okey, baik. Terima kasih, Doktor.
You Malaysia, you.
Sekejap Sending.
Okey. Okay, looks like the value of mean and variance. Mean and variance. Okay, if you see the formula, itu salah this one, wrong, correct or wrong? Wrong this one. Okay, for mean is okay. For mean is okay. Okay, for variance is wrong. This one is wrong. And lose the formula. You must time this one is probability. You must time for this one time 1/8. This one. The second we must time 3/8. This one. The third you must write time 3/8. And the last one time. Salah this one 1/8, 3/8, 3/8. This one is wrong. This one is wrong. The last one is what is the value last one?
1/8.
It's 1/8.
This one is 1/8. The answer is wrong. This one you must time was on 1/8. The last one. Okay, this one is okay 3/8. This last one 1/8. 1/8, 3/8. The answer is wrong. You can get 200. The mark is just you can get 2/10. Just follow the formula. Just follow the formula. Okay, the last one. Siapa you? You. You dah. Siapa? Richard. Okay, Richard. Okay, D. Okay, salam D. The last one, D. Okay, the last one, S greater, it is okay, this okay. Okay, this one is okay, no, 1/2, and Px greater one is 1/1, is okay, 1 over, okay, 5/5, and we can get 5/5. Okay. Okay, tengok the last one, the answer is okay, the number C. The number D is okay, no problem. Okay, any problem? Any question? Tak ada. Kalau tak ada, we can time's up. We see you next week. Jumpa lagi minggu depan. Okay, Assalamualaikum.
Waalaikumsalam, Doktor. Thank you.
Okay, see you.
Thank you, Doctor.
Thank you, Doktor.
Thank you, Doktor.
You, Doctor.
Okay.
Doktor.
Okay.
Thank you, Doktor.